Clouds drift like whispers, they never collide. The sun spills its secrets, it has nothing to hide. A breeze through the branches, it carries my name. Radiant skies open wide, feel the freedom where I reside. No chains, no walls, no ties, just me and the radiant sky. The earth hums a melody under my feet. Every step's a rhythm, the world feels complete. Shadows fall gently, they never compete. The horizon calls in hues of gold, a quiet promise, stories untold. Radiant skies open